welcome back to Nativity Plans. This is Carmen, and today I'm going to be planning in my classic vertical catch-all planner for the week of December 19th through the 25th. Now this is Christmas week, and so I am going to be doing a nativity set or a nativity theme spread. And this week has a lot of important dates to mark and a lot of important things going on. The 21st is my father-in-law's birthday, and then the 22nd is my dad's birthday, and then 24th is Christmas Eve, and the 25th is Christmas Day. So lots of things going on and lots of things to plan for, and especially lots of things to remember this Christmas season. So I'm going to be using stickers from Amberplansherday. Last year I did use this sticker set in another spread, and I loved it so much that I'm going to use it again. I did end up using one of these quotes, and so that's the only thing that's missing from this sticker sheet. And I'm also going to be using the Nativity Story sticker sheet set from ishasplans. So I have the deco sheet with the quotes, and I also have the boxes sheet here. And for additional functional boxes, I am going to be pulling stickers out of the mojojojoplans neutral boxes, and those are going to be the stickers that I use for this week's spread. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I am going to start with the very most important sticker, which is going to be this whole manger set here, and I'm going to lay it right across here in the center of the 24th and the 25th. I'll put it right here. Okay, very nice. And I probably will put some stars around here, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my star clusters. And my other one over here. Okay. And we will put a quote there. This one says, "Jesus is the light of our Christmas, the joy of our hearts, and the hope of our world." I'll put that one right here. Okay, and I will keep these to use in just a minute. And so now I'm going to work backwards from here. I'm going to actually go into my functional boxes first. And I am going to be going for this taupe brownish color. I'm going to be using that in my spread. I'm going to put this in my sidebar. Oops. Okay. Let's try this again. All right. I got that one down there. And then I do need to annotate. I'm going to also use these dark brown ones as well, or darker brown ones. I'm going to notate trash day and recycle day because I don't want to forget that this week. Trash and recycle day. Okay. And then I also want to mark my dad's birthday and my father-in-law's birthdays. So I'm going to go ahead and take some, I don't know if I'll use the taupe colored ones, the taupe colored boxes. Let's see if I can find those again. All right, here they are. So I'm going to use, I think that's the same taupe. Okay, so we're going to notate here. So I can go ahead and wish my father-in-law happy birthday there. And then I'll notate my dad's on the next day here. Okay, looks good. And then we do have plans for the 24th and the 25th. I'll go ahead and put some boxes down there as well, now that I'm thinking about it. Okay, well, we'll put 2 down there. So we'll do a box right here, and then another one right here. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go back to my deco stickers. And I don't know how I got some, it looks like some pencil marking here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my eraser. Sorry if this is shaking. I think my table is shaking a little bit, but I just noticed that and I wanted to go ahead and take that pencil marking I saw off of there. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and take our blue sticker here that says Jesus, the greatest gift of all time, and we're going to put that across right here at the top. Okay. Oh, the J's off the page. I gotta move it over, move this quote over just a little bit so I don't have to cut that. Okay, there we go. So Jesus, the greatest gift of all time. And then there's another quote here. It says, it's not how much we give, but how much love we put into giving. I like that. And so we're going to go ahead and lay this one down across the bottom here. So we got some quotes across the page. And then we're going to take our boxes and we're going to put in some more boxes on the days that I don't have any boxes notated or any functional boxes to notate. So we're going to go ahead and go with this blue one. We'll put it right here. And then we'll take this tan one here. Right. And then we can put another one over here. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay. And then we do have some birthday plans for my dad in the evening over here. So we're going to go ahead and take this big box and we'll put it down right over here. Okay, and then we'll take a blue and we'll put it right over here. And then if we need some bullet points and stuff like that, we'll put that down. I'm going to bring in a couple more stickers here. This to notate the beginning of Christmas week. Oh, come, let us adore him right here next to the manger. I'll take a couple of these stars. as a cluster. Let's see. We got some stars here, so we definitely want to put some stars across right over here. So I think this would be a good spot. And then we have one more star left, and we definitely want to put it down somewhere. Maybe up here. Okay. All right, so we finished all of our amberplansherday stickers here. Let's see what other deco stickers we can use right here. And then we'll put Mary. Oops. We can put her down right over here. Baby Jesus' birthday right there. And let's see. Okay, and I think that's about it. And I'll be writing in my plans there. And so now I'm just going to take a daily gratitude sticker and put it on my sidebar. I can notate that. So got my daily gratitude sticker right over here. And I will be using the bullet points that come with the kit. Now they're not all the same color, and that doesn't really bother me. I'm not that upset about it. Let's see, so we got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All right, looks good there. Now that my sideboard is all set, I think we're ready for the week. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys joining me for all of my Plan With Me videos. I hope you guys like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you can be notified of my future videos. Thank you so much for your support, and Merry Christmas. And I hope to see you guys all in the next one. Bye.